So I thought I would just give you a quick update on the shop since it's been a while since I did that. I did want to have more done, but I have so much work to do. It would be a long time before I'd ever get to an update. So I got most of the electrical done. I did it myself. So electricians, if you're looking at this, it's probably not up to code. I don't know, but my brother-in-law is like a master electrician. He lives 3 states away, and he guided me through a lot of this. So also stay tuned. I got a little bit of update on some of the things we're doing here in the future. We're starting a new business, getting a new big tool, and so just want to let you all know that. So stay tuned. I wanted to give you a tour or an update of the shop. I've completed most of the electrical. I put outlets pretty much around the perimeter of the shop, 110, kind of up high, countertop height. And I probably went overkill on how many of these I installed, but I just wanted to have access to electricity anywhere I was working in the shop. So pretty much around the perimeter at countertop height, I put 110 very frequent. And then I put a 2-way switch here so that I can turn the lights on from the man cave door or from the front door. Also over here you see dust collection. This runs on a 220 outlet, 30 amp, and I have 2 of those, one up top and one here. This one will serve to collect dust for our new tool. Very expensive, wonderful, awesome tool that we're getting in about 4 weeks. I'll let you know that in a second what it is. It's about a $16,000, maybe even more like $17,000 tool. So I will be letting you know what that is in a second. If you look up here, I put in a 110 and a 220 outlet in 2 areas here so that I could drop down cords that retract up for tools, so I don't have to step over the wire on the ground. It'll come straight down from the top. Also have a garage door opener 110 receptacle there. Okay, on to the man cave. And in the man cave there is a 2-way switch which can turn on the light here or at the door from the outside, and that's just kind of standard. You want your light switch to be anywhere you'd go in or out, and that one is the ceiling fan. I just have a light hooked up to it for now. This last switch is for the pendant lights that'll hang down right above the island. I have a 240 volt 50 amp receptacle there for oven and stove on a 6 gauge wire there, and that is very, very expensive stuff, by the way. This is my pantry storage, and that's just lighting for that. Also have plenty of outlets here for lamps and other things, as well as a TV up top there. And down low is just for like a DVD player or whatever, PlayStation. This is also, there's a light switch on the wall there. I didn't really focus on that too much, but that's for the ceiling fan as well. And then outside here, this is a beautiful day, and I'm looking forward to improving the deck area here. But this is an outlet that I put outside, just a 110, and that's for remote control lighting for the deck area eventually. And this, I'm sure, is not code, but it works. It's on there pretty good, and that's how I'm going to do it. So that works pretty good. Once this is all drywalled in, I'm sure it's all safe. All right, so switch from downstairs for the loft area. I'll be adding more lights in series. These run in series, so you can just plug more and more in as you need it. But for the time being, this is sufficient. I wasn't sure exactly what I would be doing up here, so I put in some 110 outlets down below, and of course a 220 30 amp receptacle here for the dust collection system, which will collect dust for most of my tools. I think that this probably will end up being a paint booth up here to paint signs and other things, kind of a hint to the tool that we'd purchased. And one last receptacle here. It's a 240 volt, 50 amp RV receptacle for visitors who want to plug in. All right, these are some of the things that we've been working on. These are glue ups that we put together, and these come from chunks of wood that we harvested from antique furniture and tables and hardwood pieces that you see here. And we find these on Facebook Marketplace. People give them away for free. And so that brings us to why we're doing all this, and that is because we just purchased a 4x8 CNC machine. It's an Avid CNC machine, and it's a pretty heavy-duty investment, but we're starting a new business, and this is kind of a side job business for me and the kids, and we enjoy doing all of this and working together as a family. This is where I need to install a plug today, and it's an L6-35R receptacle, and this is what the CNC machine needs. So this is the next video that I'll be doing, is how to install this receptacle. So if you're interested in that, click on the next video, and I will show you how to do that. So anyway, God bless you all, and stay tuned for some really cool furniture flipping. We're gonna post some how-tos on how to flip some furniture. So Jesus loves you. Have a great day. God bless.